Hi, I'm Anna with Glow Skin Beauty, and this is a quick guide to our BioRenew EGF Rich Repair Cream. Our most advanced age-defying vegan epidermal growth factor cream yet. It delivers ultra-rich repair, deep hydration, and radiance that stands the test of time. Powered by 1% EGF, a cell longevity complex, and a gentle smoothing concentrate, it provides clock-stopping collagen and elastin support, reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and improves tone and texture. For immediate and long-term results you can see and feel. After applying your serum and eye cream, add an even layer to face and neck and massage lightly into skin. Use up to twice daily or as a luxurious overnight treatment to strengthen and future-proof results. 1% EGF is a meaningful treatment level concentration. I reach for this product anytime my skin is just feeling tired and depleted. It gives me that bounce and the glow back to my skin. It's rich without feeling too heavy. I wake up in the morning and I feel like I've had 8 hours of sleep, or my skin at least looks like it, even on the nights when I haven't.